Rub-a-dub-dub, we're drinking in the fucking tub. Welcome to Self-Care Saturday virtual happy hour. As you can see, I'm in the tub. I am wearing a swimsuit just to, protect your delicate sensibilities. And we know that Instagram is not a safe space for nipples, so there'll be no nips here today. Okay, if you get a little flash of an areola, like, you're welcome. There's a lot of stuff on this bath tray today, and we are making a little brandy sparkling wine cocktail. If you weren't familiar, here I have some Pisco. Pisco is a form of grape-based brandy. It is not typically aged for very long. It's typically aged for about 3 months in a neutral vessel. So as you can see, it's completely clear, doesn't have any color from being aged on oak or anything like that. I already have ice in my shaker tin because there's only so many things that I could fit on here. And I've got my sparkling wine to my left. Even if you don't have these ingredients, I expect you to watch this entire episode because I had to clean my fucking tub to do this, and I hate cleaning my tub. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see if I drop anything in the bath. I don't have any rubber duckies, sadly. This is a very dangerous game we're playing here. I will probably get some of these ingredients in the tub, but I'm sure it's good for me. I'm starting off with 3/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice. This is exceptionally awkward, but I'm doing it strictly for your entertainment, for your viewing pleasure. All right, that's done. We need a little bit more grapefruit juice. I like taking baths. I would just like if someone else could clean my tub. And I don't really like this bathroom very much. It's the only room in my condo. I just got some grapefruit juice on my thigh. It's the only room in my condo that I haven't, oh, it's everywhere. Grapefruit juice all over me. I'm sure it has cleansing properties. And then I'm doing 1/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. As I was saying, this bathroom is the only room in this condo that I have not attended to, not renovated or made any changes to, but I have big plans for a much sexier and more stylish, I'm getting rid of this, sexier and more stylish bathroom in the very near future. It's gonna have like kind of marble effect tiles in here, and I'm using a full ounce of Pisco. There we go. I'm gonna do white penny rounds, kind of a chair rail around the room. And use dark grout because the only thing I don't want to change is the dark floor tile, but I want there to be, some consistency in the whole look. And we're doing 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. And then just 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. As you can see, I have this handy glass holder on my little bath tray here. But a bath pillow would go a long way. A little bit more. We're tossing that in, and now we're gonna shake, and then we'll top it up with some sparkling wine. You might be wondering, when was it exactly that I lost my mind? And I can assure you I've pretty much always been like this, but now I have a bigger audience, so yeah. So now we're just gonna use a little splish bash of sparkling wine, and then we're gonna drink in the tub. I hope you'll join me. If you do make this drink and you drink it in your tub, please tag me in your story posts. But remember, there's no some of it's in the tub. That is just delightful, friends. Cheers, and I will see you. I think I'm gonna take Monday off because it's a long weekend, so I'm gonna get an extra day of rest to prepare for next week's virtual happy hour. So I'll see you on Tuesday, but there might be some extracurricular homework on Sunday or Monday to prep for the coming drinks. We might do a shrub. That's a kind of drinking vinegar. It sounds disgusting, but tastes delicious. Cheers, and I will see you on Tuesday.